Spring is just around the corner here in Adelaide, and the garden is about to wake up. In this video, I will show you how to get your garden ready before the season kicks in. And make sure to stick around until the end because I'm sharing how I deal with slugs without chemicals. That's right, without any chemicals. It's simple and it works. Namaskaram. I'm Srideep and this is Blossom Your Way, helping you grow what matters. This is going to be our first video in a brand new seasonal series. Gardening can feel overwhelming, especially when you're just starting out. There is so much advice and so many things happening all at once. My goal with this series is to make it simple by focusing on what matters each season. So, whether you are new to gardening or just want a bit more structure, you can follow along and grow what matters, season by season. Seasons play such an important role in gardening. Each one has its own gifts and its own challenges. Mother Nature has a way of preparing us for what's coming, and plants are part of that cycle. They produce seasonal fruits and vegetables that give us the nutrients we need to stay healthy and to fight off common seasonal illnesses. That's why I believe eating seasonally is so powerful. And as home gardeners, we can take this one step further. By learning what grows each season, we can slowly move towards growing our own food, eat fresh, and becoming a little bit more sustainable. When spring arrives here in Adelaide, it's like pressing the start button on your garden. The soil warms up, the days get longer, and everything just explodes with growth. Pollinators like bees and butterflies come back, which is so important if you're growing fruiting vegetables or flowers. It's also the perfect time to refresh your garden after winter and get your summer crops started. The first thing to focus on is to clear out any winter leftovers, old plants, weeds, anything that's spent. Give yourself a fresh start, a blank canvas. That little bit of effort now means healthier, stronger plants later. Next, the focus is on the soil. Add compost, check soil structure and pH, and lightly mulch to keep it moist. A good foundation makes all the difference. Doing this now sets you up for strong spring growth. Now, I used big words like soil structure and pH, and for anyone that's new to gardening, I'll break it down for you so you get an understanding. Now, when I say check soil structure, I simply mean check how your soil feels and behaves. Take a handful of soil, squeeze it, and then let it fall apart in your hand. If it clumps like clay, it needs organic matter to loosen it. If it falls apart like dust, it needs compost to hold more moisture. Ideally, it needs to be crumbly and full of life, just like what you see here, like a moist chocolate cake texture. And when I say check pH, I mean how acidic or alkaline the soil is. Most veggies like a pH between 6 and 7, that's neutral. I use a 6-in-1 soil tester for a quick reading so I know if adjustments are needed. It's also important because I have blueberries in my garden as well, and blueberries like it more acidic, around 5.5. But for most summer veggies, around neutral is perfect. We need to start planning our warm season crops like tomatoes, capsicum, eggplants, cucumbers, zucchinis, beans, and also we need to start direct sowing root crops like carrots, radishes, and beetroots. Now, if you enjoy growing Indian vegetables like me, there are lots of varieties like ash gourd, ivy gourd, long melon, okra, and even snake gourd. And spring is perfect to get them started too. These crops love the warmer weather and can be rewarding to grow at home. And please don't forget flowers like marigolds, sunflowers, and nasturtiums. They bring pollinators, they make amazing companion plants, and they just look amazing. Spring pests wake up real fast. Aphids, caterpillars, and especially slugs. Catching them early saves a lot of trouble later. When you direct sow your seeds, slugs can be ruthless. They wipe out tiny seedlings overnight. That's why I go out at night with a torch and handpick as many as I can. And yes, I either put them in soapy water or sprinkle a bit of salt. I honestly don't enjoy doing this. I mean, who would? But it's the only way I can protect young seedlings without any chemicals. The way I see it, it's either me or them. And I really love my seedlings, so can't help it. So that's how you can get your garden ready for spring before the season begins. It's all about preparation and timing. So when spring arrives, your plants hit the ground running. In the next videos, I will dive deeper into soil preparation and seed sowing. So stick around and let's grow through every season together. Now, as I always like to say, please keep growing what matters. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to begin. Now, if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family who love gardening. That's how we can all grow together. Thank you for watching and happy growing!